Welcome to Vinyl Inc.'s Vinyl Decal Application Guide. For this installation, you will need an application tool such as a credit card or a hard edge squeegee, a tape measure, masking tape, a pen or pencil, and scissors. Using a measuring tape, measure out your decal, placing it at the beginning and end of your decal print. Now find the center line of the decal, and you will mark it with your pen or pencil. After marking the center line of the decal, feel free to use your application tool to firmly press and flatten out the decal and transfer tape. We are now ready to begin the decal application. Secure your decal sides with small strips of masking tape and align the graphic where it will be installed. Position the entire graphic with its transfer tape without removing the paper backing of the decal. Once in the correct position, feel free to squeegee down your decal just as a safety measure. Step 2. Once the graphic is positioned correctly, apply a strip of masking tape vertically halfway across the center of the decal. This will create a hinge down the center of the decal. Step 3. Remove the masking tape on one side and turn over half of the decal, folding loosely over the still secured half. Remove the backing at a sharp angle away from the decal. As a tip, try not to peel the decal away from the backing, but the backing away from the decal. Using your scissors, cut the paper backing along the hinge while making sure not to let go of the exposed decal. It may be helpful to tape the exposed decal on the other side as to not let it dangle as you are cutting the backing paper. Step 4. Pull the edge of the decal back over the surface to be applied without allowing it to stick to the surface. Starting from the center hinge, use your application tool to begin pressing the decal onto the application surface. Using your application tool, apply overlapping strokes at an approximately 20-degree angle starting from the center, working your way outward to the end of the decal. Try to keep your application tool at a low angle with the surface. Ensure that the decal only comes in contact with the surface once it has been pressed by the application tool. Step 5. Once one half of the decal has been applied, remove the opposing hinge masking tape as well as the hinge tape used along the center of the decal. Lift the portion of the decal which has yet to be applied and pull away the remainder of the paper backing completely. If you run into the error of small pieces of your paper backing getting stuck to your decal, you can use an X-Acto knife or a razor blade to gently remove those paper backings. Now, all you have to do is repeat step 4. Lastly, step number 6. Press firmly across the entire decal using your application tool to ensure the graphic is fully adhered to the surface. Grab the edge of the carrier sheet and at a sharp angle, slowly peel away in a direction directly over the decal, exposing the final product. We hope that with this tutorial, you were able to apply your decal with ease.